In this video, I will tell you how to stake SOL on Phantom wallet. So first what you need to do is open Phantom and select SOL from your home screen by tapping your SOL balance. Next tap start earning SOL, then tap SOL, then tap stake. After that choose a validator. Phantom will show a list of validators with their commission, APY and total stake amount. Try to pick a validator with 5% to 8% commission, more than 95% uptime, not in the top 5 validators, since that helps decentralization. Some good validator options in 2025 are Lane, Jito, Solana Compass or Phantom's own validator. Now enter the amount of SOL you want to stake. Make sure to leave around 0.02 to 0.05 SOL unstaked so you can still pay for transaction fees. Phantom will also show your estimated yearly rewards before you continue. Then tap stake and approve the transaction in your wallet. The transaction fee is very small, around 0.00005 SOL. Once completed, your stake will appear under SOL. Then your staking becomes active at the next epoch, which usually takes around 2 days. Rewards are added about every 2 days and they automatically restake. That's how you stake SOL on Phantom wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.